Alright, so here's a bicycle converted to an e-bike build. Started last night. We got a sprocket on the other side of the rim, piece of steel from an old pulley, and just some rubber sandwiched in the middle. An old bike sprocket. 24-volt electric motor. It's not huge, but it's not small. That's what she said. Battery mount, little battery box made up. And the electronics. Everything came from a electric scooter. Now the electronics are all fried, so we're gonna have to work around that. Gonna have a solar panel back here and a solar panel on the front. It's just gonna be deadly. Decent sized chain going to it. Didn't want to use a skinny bike chain. There's where it is anyway. Part 1.